Hey, how's it going? I'm at the back side of a 2007 Thomas HDX pusher school bus. The Mercedes MBE 900. And we removed the DPF complete. It's a little easier on the bench if you got a hoist, of course. I mean, you could use a tranny jack. But we just disassemble them and we've got a spare one, which is nice. So we get the DPF and the catalyst cleaned at one of the truck shops. It's about $400. They got the equipment. And also a common problem with these pushers are the fuel tanks start leaking. So if we loosen off this strap, it would start dripping. That's a common deal. I get about 8 to 10 years. Depends on the road conditions. These are parts. We're also changing the engine fan. Is another weak spot. It's plastic. It cracks. We've replaced several of those through the years. And this is the DPF we're putting on. The assembly. Canister and everything's one complete unit. 2 gaskets. And then DLC, the inlet. The catalyst is right here, and then the filter. It's right in between the 2 clamps. And you can see on the original, we've taken off. It's going to be a biatch to get that baby off. It's just at the back end. You got the heat and the cooling off and moisture back there. The rear axle, a lot of moisture. A lot of stuff gets kicked back to the exhaust, to the back side of the engine. And here's the temperature, rear temperature sensor, the inlet, and then the pressure hose, inlet, outlet, and that monitors back to the engine onboard computer for a restriction between the inlet and the outlet, pressure differential, and the temperature, which triggers regen. So while you're driving, it'll go into a regen. Sometimes the malfunction indicator lamp will come on, meaning that you got an emissions code. So it's the park regen is the next step to try and clean it out. If that doesn't work, the lights keep coming back. You basically got to pull it apart, strip it down, and send out the filter. And the new DPF, just the filter part, is $2,200 up here in Canadian country. So before $100 or so they charge for cleaning, it's well worth it. Mind you, if it doesn't clean up properly and it's failing the cleaning side of things, you got to buy one. So you still got to pay the money. But it's worth taking a chance. So yeah, this one's going in. Fuel tank, engine, fan, and that's a shroud too. It's all cracked up. And she'll be back in business.